So let's take a problem from chapter 2 that almost everybody, including me, had trouble with. And so the idea here is, what's minus 1 to the 2004th? And so what you have to remember is that when you think of the rule of PEMDAS, P comes before E, right? And so if you have minus 1 to the 2004th, well, those pair up, right? The minus 1 times minus 1 equals 1. And so if you have an even number of those, it'll be 1. But that's not the case. That's not the case when you have minus 1 to the 2004. And so if we have minus 1 to the 2004, that means do 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 2004 times, and take the whole thing, take that whole thing and do the negative to it. So in other words, there's a times here, minus 1 times that, and that's going to take place after you do all of these. So if we go back and look at it again, let's see what we had. So minus 1, so it doesn't matter, so it's going to be negative whatever it is, right? And so this is going to end up being 1, so that's going to end up being minus 1. Now if you have minus 1 to the 2005th, well, it's an odd power, so that's also going to be minus 1. 1 to the 2006, well, 1 to any power is going to be 1, but then minus 1 to the 2007 says I'll apply it. So you end up with a minus, so 3 minuses and 1 plus. So the answer is minus 2.